Thailand. How to say English? I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm asking you what he was saying.
See? Now they put like
Oil, yeah, I saw him do this before. Last one, as soon as he put the oil on, the thing took off. Went fast. Went way up too. Probably more than a mile. That thing went far.
ลงถ่ายโตไหนก่อนนายกน่ะ
No?
2,792
เนี่ยก็ลงเก่า12คือเก่า
ซื้อแล้วใต้ดิน
ชื่อไว้ใต้ดินเอาเก่า2น่ะตัวนี้ก็เก่า2คือเก่า
Did you light it already?
now they pay some money, about far away.
How long? How far? How many seconds it takes? So gambling. They bet on everything, huh? You light it already or what? That's crazy. Wow. Wow. That one went even higher. Above the clouds. Can't even see it no more. Let's bang fire. This is a village ceremony. Hope you all enjoy. Peace.